Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 9th of February 2023. Man, let's talk about Nano real quick. Got a couple of news things I want to show you on the chart to tell us, or at least give us a heads up as to where price is going to go. So let's go ahead and talk about it real quick. Did a video in Nano on the 26th of January playing the downside move. You guys can see right there on the 1st of January 2023, the market in Nano came down towards 62 cents, 62.5 cents. So I did a video in November of last year. Price in the beginning of the year came down to the lows. So hopefully you was able to grab some profit there. 21, almost 22% in that particular move to the downside. Okay, so now that's done. That is over. Let's get to the news though off of the charts. So first of all, the thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you that the trend involved into the market in Nano is higher. Okay, so yes, we are currently seeing the market buyers participate. They're currently involved into this particular cryptocurrency right now, looking for price to continue to do this, go up. That's it. That's the current direction that the market in Nano is on. But I want you all to see something though. Okay, I want you all to see how price in Nano is currently on its way to breach the trend. Right now, we're close to breaching the trend, to breaking it right now. Do you think the market is going to go down? This is nothing but a game of probabilities. If we feel that the greater weight for price to move is down, then we need to be prepared for it. Or do you think the market's going to hold the trend line and continue to shoot higher from here? That is the basis of the information that we're going to try to dispel today on the video. So check this out. Different time frames give you different information. Looking at Nano on a 2-day chart, I don't like that. I don't like seeing how weak this current 2-day price bar is looking. Now I got to give the market 12 more hours though. Okay, we got 12 hours and 8 minutes before the conclusion of this 2-day price bar. But when you see it, if you're trying to be ahead of the game, you need to say, well, it doesn't look strong. I'm leaning more towards price in Nano to go lower and at best break this trend line. It goes in combination with what occurred here on this 2-day price bar as well as this one. So we're seeing a lot of weakness coming into the market in Nano. Here it is on the 3-day chart. Okay, all of these 3-day price bars is showing us that the market in Nano is weak, that there's selling going on in the market. Now, the good thing is that buyers have been buying up Nano who's ever been selling. That's the good news. But the buyers don't have an infinite amount of resources to continue to come in and buy this currency. So if the overall supply or stockpile of whoever is selling their Nano is more powerful, then the buyers are going to give up. And price will continue to go lower to find the next batch of buyers. Okay, look at this on the 5. So even here on the 5-day chart, you guys can see how weak this particular cryptocurrency is being seen. 12 hours 7 minutes left on this current 5-day price bar. But again, I'm not feeling bullish off of it. I'm not. It doesn't look strong right now. Now I know many of you want to hear the bullish talk, the buying talk, the moon talk, the Lambo talk, but the chart is not showing us that right now. Okay, look at this on the 3-hour. So even though I'm not bullish into the market in Nano, neither am I bearish to the point where I'm thinking the market's going to run back down to 65 cents right now. But I want us to be prepared that the current trend is showing us some weakness. And another thing you guys can see on a 3-hour chart is that a lot of the price action in Nano occurs below 90 cents. Look at this. Ever since October of last year, a lot of the market activity has occurred below 90 cents. That gives us another big clue saying that this market is not really on a bullish trend until we see a price break 90. Price breaks 90 cents in Nano. This market is going to make a big move to the upside. Just got to wait to see that happen first. Okay, so let me do this. It's going to play a little bit of weakness into the market in Nano. Okay, just a little bit. So as long as price to me stays and trades below $1, we're going to look for the price to go down. I'm going to hold this trend line here as a reference point, because if I still see buyers coming to the market in Nano now, then I know that this price prediction, which I'm putting on the chart, is not going to be right. Okay, now I'm going to give you some very close price levels or targets that I'm looking for the market to run down towards to try to catch buyers. And that first one is going to be here around 83 cents. So let me go ahead and put this on the magnifying glass. It's only 3.25% for us to see the market in Nano run to 84. Okay, well, let's just do this around 2.9%. Okay, 2.9%. First price level is right there around 83, 84 cents. Now let me go ahead and show you the second one. It's going to be around 80 cents. You guys can see this around 7.3% move to the downside. 80 cents is the second level. And then third would be for us to see it come down around like 75. That is 14.25% move to the downside around 75, 74 cents. Okay, those are my three levels. Now, if I see the market in Nano dip all the way down to 74, 75 cents, then I'm pretty much expecting the market to trade like this, go sideways. It's not going to be trending higher. It's not going to be making higher lows. It's just going to continue to trade sideways if they're in the range. If we see buyers come in the market around 74, 75 cents. Okay, so that's it. I'm done. Everyone who is new, welcome to the channel. This is what I do. I come through and I give you all ideas as to where price is headed on a short-term basis. I'm not going to give you all the price prediction 10 years out, because that is ridiculous. Nobody can give you a realistic, honest idea as to what the price is going to be in 10 years. Okay, so I come through, try to give you all a viewpoint as to what the market looks like now and where it's going to go on a daily, weekly, maybe even a monthly time frame. This is what I'm seeing here currently. You guys got my price levels as to where I suspect price is going to go. We're going to see if it's going to get there. If it doesn't, we already don't know why. It's because buyers are still mixed in the markets buying up Nano, especially if we see price hold this trend line. See, I'm already prepared for it. If I continue to see the buyers and they continue to hold that ascending line, I already know it. I'm ready. So let's just see what the market does, or let's see what it do. All right, so give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. You guys appreciate the videos. You guys want to learn more as I continue to drop nuggets as to how you can see what the market is up to. Join me. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel.